Hello guys, barkanmu da ƙara haɗuwa. Yau muna cikin goma ga watan February 2025, 2026. Wannan shi ne live session na farko a wannan satin. Za mu yi analysis in ta kama ma in akwai possibility ɗin yin trading tare. So za mu wannan shi ma. Idan yanzu kuke joining, ku tabbata kun yi liking, wannan zai sa algorithm ya pushing wannan live session ɗin ta yadda wasu za su iya joining su ma su tarar da wannan live ɗin. So ban sani ba ko ana ji na. So zan yi hosting a cikin Telegram community. Live session ɗin ta yadda wasu za su iya joining su. Okay, ana ji na. So zan yi hosting a cikin Telegram community namu, kuma ina ɗan ƙara jan hankali ba ma yin account management saboda akwai scammers da yawa da suke amfani da sunanmu. So ba ma account management, ba ma wani giveaway na $100. Akwai wanda za ka ga suna yawan posting a Telegram. Su ne wai suna giveaway na $100 nan ba ma yin wannan. So duk sanda ka ga maganar kuɗi, it is not us the way. A Telegram there is screen as well. I don't know if I share the screen. Telegram as well. Pricing mitigating wannan imbalance ɗin. And in a nutshell ina neman buy ne a Nasdaq. Wannan shi ne abin da nake da kamar yadda I do mention that we need to see price doing something like this, accumulating. We have so this accumulation kamar suna ƙara accumulating more orders da za su ci gaba da tafiya direction ɗin da suke son su je. Previously was the end of the accumulation, and then the market, rise, taking all these relative call highs, and it failed to take out the all-time. You're seeking one sell side liquidity and this sell side liquidity, and then price say branching at this imbalance. Sign that for this week price is not except maybe when your own circumstance event will happen, but technically and the commitment of traders report is supporting bullish on indices. So Nasdaq, and a daily after taking this, after price branching at this imbalance, we can see we have a look up that price closes above, so it turned out to be an inversion bullish fair value gap. So this level is now our support level. It's support price a sharp rejection in. So I'm targeting for this high this week, and then this high, and subsequently the all-time high. Same thing in muka kalli SP 500 if ta shiga imbalance in number, the divergence between Nasdaq and SP 500 and SLT divergence. is something have this SMT divergence. 500 za mu ga ita ta nuna strength, Nasdaq ta nuna weakness. So this is very signifying mana movement din so wannan shine narrative din from daily. Muka koma 4 hour, a 4 hour ga shi za mu ga muna da clean structure on 4 hour. Swing low namu high, low ga displacement, and then jiya anan ne na samu almost 5R na yi trading na Nasdaq anan. Price yau gashi ya ƙara dawowa. So we are going to continue looking for SP 500 as well. Za mu ci gaba da neman buy anan, and it's going to be this high, this high. So I am bullish on Nasdaq. Idan muka koma silver, for this week, honestly, I am not touching silver. Yes, price, yeah, purging 19 sell side liquidities din da suke nan. I also kuka kalli Euro USD za ku ga I shared this on Telegram already. We shall continue looking for buy, and we can see this order block in, and then this huge expansion, and recently za mu ga inda price ya da cikin wannan fair value gap ɗin. So Euro USD either from this level or mu jira retracement, which I bet will anytime soon come back to this level. So in muka samu confluence a lower time, you can continue looking for Euro USD. Dollar is bearish this week. Then automatically za mu ga Euro, right? Muka koma gold, I am bullish still on gold, but I'm being sidelined. Last week we have the sell, but if you look at Shell, it's not something that you take in position. It's something that if you have the experience, you would rather observe and wait for a better condition. A gold, the macro perspective, non necessarily is supporting the bullishness on gold, and supporting one bullishness. Okay, so on gold, the same thing. I am somehow sidelined, but in pan out something clearer. If we have a clear picture, then for our that sidewalk name. This is not the type of price okay putting in risks in this price action. This is not the type. So definitely most of this and price and accumulating on to break up below. Since we are looking for high prices, first target high, this imbalance is not this is like slaughterhouse. Wannan kamar kwata ne inda ake yanka. In ka shiga to yanka ka za su yi a nan gobe. It's more easy to lose money in this type of market. And the problem with a lot of traders, they know when to trade, they don't know when not to trade. Kuma is very, very important for you as a trader to know when not to trade. So it doesn't mean just that you are a day trader, only say trading. Day trading is not everyday trading. You can only day trade or whatever when the condition are favorable. This condition on gold is not favorable. Look at the candles. Will you compare it to what happened here? This is sidewalk. I know a lot of you are battling the price, and wanda za su zama 'yan kaɗan, wanda losing kuɗi za su zama sun fi kowa yawa a wannan condition ɗin. Because the condition says sit sideline, wait for better price action before you engage. But wannan eagerness and impatience na traders, everyone wants to be taking action, wants to be executing trade, and that is where a lot are getting it wrong. Okay, throughout this week I executed only 2 trades. The trade I shared on Monday with my signal group, and we have 2R, and then market bounce back, and 2.1R market bounce back and remove us at break even. And then the second entry da muka ɗauka a Nasdaq jiya, we had 5R, wanda is scalping on Nasdaq. So today is another day for us to come and do what we do to trade, but we only trade in condition in align. This condition on gold didn't align. TS plus, I know the type of condition that is favorable, and I know the type that is not favorable. I'm not just eager to take an entry. I would only take entry when the condition is good. Wannan shine, and shine experience da ake son mutum ya samu. So ba na ɗaukar trade wai just because I don't want to miss the move. Yes, gold is bullish. I will not just take entry within this type of market. This entry, I will not come in. I will sideline on gold. Muka koma Nasdaq, ita ma za mu ga tana sidewalk, but ba za ka comparing price action na Nasdaq da gold ba. Za ka ga Nasdaq, it is rejecting within this level a kind of volume, wanda kuma equity open, market open ma bai yi ba, sai in the next 15 minutes the market open on Nasdaq, in that we will expect injection of volume, and then price will start moving smoothly after then. So indices, this is the level da nake jira an ga volume 930, then I will continue looking for buy. So wannan is much like general market analysis than signal. Kamar jiya I shared a trade setup on gold, and I later on exit the trade on break even because of the nature of how in conditioning, then we're definitely going to take an entry. So, and we have calendar today. The forest factory. Muna da news. We have news on dollar 230, which is already out. So news is even already out. So how do the time when this sidewalk is over? This is very visible. Everyone can see it here. Right? And forge the sell side, or it might, rise and take out the buy side. Then from there, that decide what decide where move over. Then looking for our buys. Preferably, I prefer to see market take and then manipulating traders, and then give opportunity to buy. Na fi son in ga wannan personally. So wannan shine, and focus ina akan Nasdaq ne. My focus is on Nasdaq today, and I am more profitable trading Nasdaq, funny enough. My statistic from my broker and from my pro firm says so. I make more money trading Nasdaq than any other thing. I've been trading Nasdaq since 2020, still to date. I never ever go a month without trading Nasdaq. So wannan shine abin da nake da shi. Setup formed on Nasdaq or gold, I'll definitely share with my Telegram community here on Telegram. This is the only channel I have on Telegram. Until then, see you next time. Sai mun haɗu next time insha Allah. Thank you for coming. You taking a